Okay, well, the given is that at 9 a.m. the body was 91.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and at 10 a.m. it was 89.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermostat was constantly at 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and what we need to find out is at what time was the body killed, which at that time we would assume that it'd be at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, since that is the normal body temperature for a human. So first we set up this equation, y equals CE to the KT plus TS. So what we started out doing was, since we do know that this time at 9 a.m. it equaled this, we counted this as our 0 time. So we plugged in 0 for time. As you can see, we ended up crossing that out. And we added 68 for the thermostat, because that's what it's changing at. So you subtract that, you cancel that, so then you get 23.2 equals C. So then you just plug that number into the next equation. This next one we are solving for after the first hour, and we are looking to find out what K is. So since we know after 1 hour it's 89.8, we plug in this because it's the resultant temperature, equals.
Bus 1619 is now on campus. Any students are in the building, please report to the bus loop at this time. That's bus 1619 is on campus. Please report to the bus loop at this time.
Okay. The only difference is this time we're plugging in 1 for T instead of 0. So then we solve this, we do all this work, and we get K is equal to negative 0.062242. So then in the last one, finally, we are solving for time, because we're trying to figure out how long before 9 a.m. the body was killed. So we plug in 98.6 for the resultant temperature, and we are looking at T here. We're trying to solve for this. First we subtract 68, then we up here divide out 23.2. Now we've isolated these, so we find the natural log of both of these, because that would cancel out E. Then you simply divide out negative 0.062242, and you get that the time was it's called negative 4.447 hours, and since that's not in minutes like we'd like to, I multiplied 0.447 by 60 to get 26.82 minutes. So 4 hours and about 27 minutes before 9 a.m. is when the body was murdered. So that means that about 4:33 a.m. the body was murdered, and the suspect, the husband, got home at 3:30, so he's absolutely still a suspect.